Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Today's video is about a new development in asylum law. So this administration over the years has been trying to make it more difficult for people to apply for asylum. And this administration is proposing a lot of changes to the way that it handles asylum applications. And actually, it plans to publish these new proposals. It's 161 pages. I have notes. The proposal is 161 pages. And it's nothing but making asylum more difficult, unfortunately, for people that really are trying to come to the United States because they're fleeing persecution. So, under the proposal of the new asylum regulations, this administration is proposing making it more difficult for immigrants that stop in other countries before they come to the United States. So, if you are traveling to the United States to seek asylum, let's say you are traveling from the Dominican Republic or Haiti, for example, and then you make a pit stop in Brazil, but you don't seek asylum in Brazil and you somehow make your way up to the United States and then you apply for asylum, your application is going to undergo more scrutiny under these new proposed regulations. Similarly, if you have been living in the United States undocumented, if you've been working under the table, and then you apply for asylum, your application is also going to face a lot more scrutiny. They're also going to be looking at changing the definition of a particular social group for asylum purposes. So these all of these changes are an attempt by this administration to make asylum applications more difficult, to make it harder for people that really need asylum to get asylum. The new process as of right now for applying for asylum is that you apply, and pretty quickly, within a month or so, you're supposed to get your asylum interview. You go to your interview and they're asking you questions about your application. They're trying to gauge if you really do have a credible fear. They're really trying to gauge if you really do have a strong case that you're facing persecution or that you fear that you'll face persecution on account of your race, religion, political opinion, membership in a particular social group. And if you don't, they'll either deny your case outright or they will refer it to immigration court. So, effectively placing you in removal proceedings for you to plead your case in front of an immigration judge. And if you're not successful, then you can be deported. And under these proposed changes, the immigration judge, if they don't believe that you really have a strong asylum claim, the immigration judge can just close out your case right then and there and not even give you an opportunity to make your case for your asylum claim. So these changes are very serious. The federal notice will be published. It's expected to be published on June 15th. I will keep you guys updated on if these actually go into effect, what's the development of this. But if you have an asylum case, you should definitely be working with an immigration attorney because you really only have one bite at the apple and you only have one shot to apply for asylum. If you apply for asylum and your case is denied, you cannot apply again. So if you have a strong asylum case, you should not be doing this on your own. You should be working with an immigration attorney who can really put your case together. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you. And please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.